forgetting something here. What's the word for that rectangular thing on my desk? That glowy rectangular thing that's showing me the title screen for the game Besiege right now. Monitor. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Monitor. Yeah, it has been that long. It's been that long I haven't covered a stereoscopic 3D title on a monitor. Last one was Five Nights at Freddy's, and that was done in 2D with a whole bunch of stereoscopic cameras. But it has been quite some time, and yeah, I'm almost forgetting the word. No, I'm kidding, because I do use my monitor to use Windows, you know, overall, and use my computer. But for gaming, it's been pretty much all VR lately. You might be noticing I'm releasing a lot of parts of my Alien Isolation random VR Let's Play, where I'm actually now down to using it as a test bed to improve production techniques with VR videos. But I don't want to leave the monitors behind. The stereoscopic 3D gaming has got to go on, right? That's what this channel's all about, and I will always continue producing these lovely stereoscopic videos, and this is one of them. We got a little gem here to take a look at. This is Besiege, and right now it's funny, I'm talking about 3D and all, but this game right now, the title screen looks 2D, but this is normal, and it's probably a good thing, because when you're using third-party drivers to run stereoscopic 3D, often the GUI will be a pain in the ass, and this fact that the title screen is in 2D actually saves you a lot of trouble. It just runs properly, and of course I have tested this. Once you get into the game, everything looks right. So, so the lovely little game, this is in the style of Crashtastic, a game I covered last year, another independent game that was in like early access that I covered in stereoscopic 3D last year. And this is one of your physics engineering types of game where you basically build a vehicle to either crash into stuff, destroy structures, or in the case of this game, kill soldiers and sheep. Yes. So, I do like these physics engineering type games like a la Kerbal Space Program, but I also like to see a different flavor of them. And Besiege is exactly that so far from what I've seen. So before I get started, a couple of technical notes. I am using Tri-Definition to run the stereoscopic 3D. It worked right off the bat with the generic profile. All I had to do was go in Performance and turn off the Power 3D. And now before we move on, I'm actually going to share my stereoscopic 3D settings for this game. I have a scene depth of 65% in front of 80, and I am using a custom focus on with a near plane of 96 and a far plane of 100. We're going to take a look at what this gives as a result in the game, and I'm going to show you that this game's actually particularly good for the stereoscopic 3D. So let's go right in, shall we? Alright, this is the level select screen, and I've done a few of these. I was taking a look. Now, I obviously picked the campaign mode, which has one map right now and has another bunch of upcoming maps. This game is in early access, but this is, as far as early access goes, this is extremely playable. This is almost a finished product with just not enough maps yet. Kind of like Radial G, a very exemplary early access title, because what you want, which is functionality, is actually present. It's there, it's playable. This is the level select screen. I could have picked another game mode, which is basically the freeform mode, where you get to just build stuff and put stuff on the map. I haven't even tried it yet, so I don't want to elaborate too much about it. So far, I've been pretty much mesmerized by the campaign mode, which reminds me in a way of Crashtastic, but this game might actually have more charm and more of a sense of humor than Crashtastic itself. I'll show you why. Let's go, and we'll also at the same time see the stereoscopic 3D run. Alright, so a first look in 3D, and check this out. Check this out, how well this is running. This actually gives you a really great view. And what I like about this game is it will get away with a lot of out-of-window illusion on the monitor. I will give you an example. I'll actually exaggerate this all the way to 90. And I can see now that my mouse pointer is like a good 4 inches behind this edge of the box. So there's a lot of pop-out going on right now, or as I prefer to call it, out-of-window illusion. And I don't mind doing that with this game for a specific reason. The reason being is that, look at this solid background color. This is perfect to avoid stereoscopic window violations. And it really does allow you to sort of push it with a pop-out if that's the kind of thing you like. Of course, I'm not a huge fan of going too far with the out-of-window illusion, but it's fun to get some of it. So what I do is I go to a more conservative setting, which is 80% in front. Probably could go like 83. It would be a nice balance. Now I got about 1.5 inches. This corner of the box about 1.5 inches in front of my mouse pointer, so that's pretty good. All right, let's get with building something. This thing suggests to me a vehicle that I could build to go destroy this house. So basically the goal is pretty simple. It wants me to destroy the house. So I'm just gonna go ahead and build something. So this is a lot like Crashtastic. You have all your groups of elements down here. You have your basic, blocks, mechanical, weaponry, flight, and armor. And these are all categories of things you can put on your vehicle. You have, in the basics, you have the building blocks, the motor wheel, the steering hinge, and the brace. And this would be to join areas together. So let's get started. I got the double block selected. It's suggesting something pretty simple here, so let's go ahead and do that. So all I gotta do is hover my mouse pointer over where I want my block to go and just go ahead and click. And if I screw it up, all I gotta do is put my mouse pointer above the block I want to delete and just press delete, and gone it is. This is really, really simple to use, and as you'll see, the game has a good sense of humor. I'm trying to zoom in here. I might be doing a little too much of it, actually. Yeah, a little bit too much there, Chris. There we go. I can do it from here. Okay, so I got the shape they're recommending here. Let's just stop the freeform fuckery and follow the instructions. Now it tells me to select some wheels. So I'll go ahead and click the wheels. And I can attach them pretty much wherever I want. And probably make my vehicle stronger and put 3 of them. And you know what? I'm actually gonna jump a step here and show you something cool you can do here. We're gonna make our vehicle special here, because there are objectives I'd like to attain here. There we go. I'm using the double blocks here, so this is pretty lenient as far as what you can use. And then I'm going to put a steering up front, and I'm going to put 2 wheels in the front. So I'm sort of overshooting what they're suggesting. And then the instructions suggest that you put your machine on the ground by pressing this button over here. And then you accelerate using the arrows. You press play and then you accelerate using the arrows, and I will be able to steer as well. So let's drop this on the ground like it instructed me to. And let's just go ahead and hit play and go use our little vehicle. I can kill some sheep. Will I kill some sheep? These sheep are really, really tough. Oh, there we go. I killed some sheep. So right off the bat, you saw blood there. There's a dude here. Let's go kill the dude. There you go. So this game has even more of a sense of humor than Crashtastic has. Mostly because Crashtastic was utterly simplistic. And this game seems to have taken a slightly more complex graphical route that gives for interesting elements that they could add over a game like Crashtastic. And I find that it is absolutely fantastic. Look at this. The title doesn't even feel like it's spilling through the ground with the stereoscopic 3D because of that solid background color. It really, really saves this game's ass with the 3D all the time, this background color. So let's go to the next zone. Let's pursue our missions here. Alright, I have to destroy the southern mill. And this is probably going to be rather an easy feat. I'll probably do this with my little rover here. Let's give it a shot. Let's see if my rover's good for the money. Can it climb the hill? Yeah, look at that. Of course, my rover is completely destroyed in the process. Oh my god, I still have steering. This thing is extra versatile. Check this out. I can even drive around, which is a rarity with the vehicles in this game, by the way. Driving around with your own vehicle. Yeah, good luck building something you can properly drive around with without having it come apart halfway through your attempt at doing the objective. So, yeah, this game has really a sense of humor that surpasses that of Crashtastic. Crashtastic is not the kind of game I'd put down because of this one. They go hand in hand, right? They each have their flavor. I would say that Crashtastic is more nerdy than this game, whereas this game is just completely over the top stupid with the physics, the sheep, the blood, and wait, now we have landmines. I know this level, and I think I can do it with this very rover that I built here. Let's straighten it a little bit so I can make the extra distance. I'm gonna try to straighten this fucker a little bit with a sort of top bar, if I can put one. Okay, it's looking like it could put one. So I got a sort of solidification top bar here. Maybe I could add a form of crossbar to make it a little stronger, or a brace of some sort. I wonder if they'll let me put braces right here. Well, that didn't do anything. You know, let me put the damn brace here in the open, or do I have to... Okay. Not too sure what the brace would be useful for in this case, but let's put one here to make things more sturdy. I have no idea why I just put braces there, but I apparently put braces there. Oh, I think this is good for the money here. Let's go take a look at this. Now, I gotta avoid the landmines, but I'm gonna fuck it up once just so you can see that this game can get really stupid. Oh, no. Oh, and then I burn. And the sheep catch fire, and they're running around while they're on fire, freaking out. This is some quality entertainment here. Hollywood material, very cinematic. Sorry for those of you who think that 30 frames per second is cinematic. This is running at a smooth 60. I'm so sorry. But yeah, very, very... very stupid concept. Let's try this again. And this time I'm gonna try avoiding the mines very carefully. Okay, no. Oh! Oh, shit. Okay, no, bad path. Actually, I did this once before. I know where to go. I can actually go through here. Take them trees down. Can I? Aw, damn it. Now I lost my wheels. Well, I'm gonna kill some sheep then. Oh, I'm stuck? Really? Kill some sheep. Kill. Damn it. Come on. Your mother. Look, my front is still driving around. I fucking love this game. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Off-road driving. Come on. Ah, damn it. I have to reach a little insignia on the ground over there. Okay, come on. We're gonna do it this time. We're gonna be a little more careful here. Try not to speed through like a Formula 1. Kill a bunch of sheep. That's all good. Always good. Killing sheep is okay. I got one wheel left. Can I do this? Okay. Backing up. Kill another sheep. Beautiful! The goal is not to kill sheep though. I gotta stay focused on the goal. Gotta make sure I keep my steering. Alright, we're good. Just like the Mars rover. Yeah, we made it. So I lost the wheel. Oh. No. There we go. Oh, the sheep went up in the air. I just saw that. It is so fucking stupid. The sheep just flies up in the air. That is too funny. So there we go. It looks like you got like a toy map inside your screen. I really like the way this game is turning out in stereoscopic 3D. At first I had problems. My system at work is now crashing a lot when I start games with tri-def. I'm gonna have to figure out why, because there actually is no problem running this game in stereoscopic 3D. When I got home, tried it on 2 systems, works beautifully. Let's go to the next zone. It gets a little more difficult. Oh shit, this one's hard. This one's hard, and I think am I light enough to do this thing? Alright, let's give this a shot. Let's see if we can't fly over the wall. Nope. Nope. What? Oh, look at that. Okay, the concept is working in theory, and I killed all the soldiers at the wall, but I don't have enough lift on the back. Come on. That's bullshit. That's bullshit, game. That's bullshit. You're making me take fans off now. Hang on a sec. Let's see if I can't put it here. Get this fucking thing flying. Come on, fly. Aw, you bitch. Okay, so I have a backup plan here just to see that it works properly. All right, let's actually go put the flight elements on it. All right. Let's play here. All right. This thing's gotta fly. Ah, damn it. It flew off too early. And I wanted to fly off forward. Let's see if it's gonna fly off forward if I fly a little later. Come on! Fuck! Alright, wait. I know what to do. I know what to do. Yeah. At the last second. Oh! Yeah, I got the freaking mill. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. Can I put more blocks here just to make sure that it sort of balances itself out as it lands? All right, let's try this. The last second we hit. Oh, shit. Oh, I got the house. I win. Watch. It's gonna come apart and I'm gonna win. Oh, and look, the soldier. Yeah. That's awesome. This game is just stupidly addicting, except I wouldn't call this an actually stupid game because you gotta be pretty smart to play it. And this is not a puzzle game. Some people will accidentally call this a puzzle game. A puzzle game normally has a fixed amount of outcomes, of solutions to... My vehicle looks so stupid. It has a fixed amount of solutions in a puzzle game, and this does not have a fixed amount of solutions. The exact opposite. It has so many infinite solutions that what I prefer to call these engineering games, where engineering physics games, where you basically develop a vehicle that has a certain capability to reach a certain objective. Kerbal Space Program would fall within the same genre, in my view. So, why am I putting flight capability on this vehicle? It's only to lighten it as I'm gonna run over these fuckers, because look at the objective. I love this game. Kill 90% of everybody. That's the objective. That's all you gotta do. So let's see if my little car can do this. My little car's been really efficient through the other levels. And now I lost my steering, but jeez, holy crap, this is genocide. I think I win. Holy crap. 90% of people have been killed by my little rover. Well, look at the scene. Oh my god, look at the scene. This is mostly because I blew up something and then a lot of them burned. This is so stupid. And they're still shooting at my vehicle part. I think these crazy bastards went ahead and named their little AIs Solomon, Gowan, Aladis, Luther, Robert, Robin, Jeffrey, This is stupid. This is fucking stupid. But it's a smart game. Like I said, you gotta be smart to play. You gotta play this shit smart. You can't just bash at it. Oh yeah, this. Oh, this. Okay, I have a vehicle that I designed for this level because it actually got tricky. And first I'm going to save this one. We're going to call it the Rover. There we go, and I hit the save button. But now I'm going to load another one that's called Insane. Look at this fucking thing. And it was designed for this level. I'll show you why. Now, my wheelbase is shit on it, but what I thought I was going to be able to do with this stupid wheelbase, it's got a wheelbase that's too narrow. But should that break, this falls down, and then I actually have backup steering on the top layer. If it falls down a layer, I can't. This is so stupid. Let's just play this. What I have to do is I get those two big boulders to that crest over there. So I'm gonna very carefully use my fucked up construction equipment to do this. Come on. Nope, that is... Oh, wait, and I don't have so much... Yeah, look at that. Okay, I should be able to do this if it doesn't fucking fall apart. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that was designed specifically for this level. It's so stupid. But yeah, this is just a lot of fun, this game. You can just play this thing for 5 hours straight, just as much as you can play it for just 15 minutes. So I have to destroy something that is high up in the air. Let's try doing this by just adding a shaft to my insane device. It says intersection. So I'm not allowed to go that far out with my design. Okay, let's see if I'll be permitted to do some kind of... Okay, well, first off, I can remove this insane arm. And there we go. Let's see if this is actually gonna crash into the structure and destroy it. Come on. No, it's going to destroy me. And it shoots at me. Look at that. Okay, wait. We just gotta reinforce the basic structure. Whoops. Will they fire automatically? Let's just see if they fire automatically. Damn it. It will not get destroyed. Okay, I have an idea then. We're gonna take my Super Rover. We're gonna reload my Super Rover here. And... well, I'm not sure what to do now. I am a bit shit out of luck. Let's try some flight shit. Alright, so, just like in the likes of Crashtastic, I guess this puts an end to the first impressions video because you get the idea. And I'm just gonna continue trying to get this fucking thing, just like I did at the end of my Crashtastic video, with a... fuck! With another level. Okay, I'm gonna take the platings off because they're completely useless. I'll be able to lift its front up. Damn it! Right? More lift ability in the front. That's what is important right now. To climb that hill and get that fucking thing. Damn it. What the hell was that? What the hell was that? I, in theory, had it there. I'll probably throttle up my fucking flight ability later. It's because when I seem to explode at some point. Which doesn't make much sense. But then again, this game so far, the sense is not strong in this one. It's quite senseless. The second I steer, I expose my apparatus. Okay, so I gotta do like, if I was trying to land on that flank. Come on! Fuck! Alright. But I think I'm on something here. Fuck. Let's go do a nice wheelie on that fucking thing. And maybe add one more umbrella up front. One more flight apparatus or two. Whoops. Not the right spot. There we go. Yeah, sometimes a little hard to gauge with the 3D, but so far so good. In fact, I'm sure I would struggle more with this in 2D. I would actually outright struggle with it. Alright. Come on! Yeah! Woo! I woke up my neighbors. Yeah, it's in the middle of the night. I should probably avoid doing that. That was awesome. That was absolutely awesome. I do not believe I actually finally did it while the video is still capturing. I was actually going to put it down for later. Of course, just like Crashtastic, they can't keep having easy challenges. It's got to get much harder as you go. Otherwise, you'd put the game down after 2 or 3 playthroughs. So, this is Besiege. And it's a very affordable independent game on Steam, runs perfectly in stereoscopic 3D using tri-definition. Oh, look at that snow coming in. Like, the snow's outside of my monitor right now. That's pretty cool. So the even the out-of-window illusions are pretty good because of that solid background I was talking about. The game's got a great sense of humor. It's a different flavor of that Crashtastic, Kerbal space program type game. And it really is well done. Its own take on this genre of game is really good. This is another instance of a game that just takes something that already exists, adds its own flavor to it, and does a good job of it. And it's even more surprising because this game is still in early access, and early access has come to be sort of the black sheep of gaming now because it produces so many questionable games. But in my opinion, it's a very good thing that we have early access because good things like this come out of early access. I don't see the AAA industry ever focusing on this kind of thing, and it's nice to make the publishing of these games accessible to the independent developers, and that's what early access does, in my opinion, along with Steam Greenlight. So this was awesome. That's all I can say. Really worth buying. I was recommended this game by a friend, and I had to thank him immediately after because I tried it while I was at work. A friend, a coworker, and went to see him after, and I said, "Holy shit! It is a beauty, this little game." All right, I hope you enjoyed, and I shall see you soon. Besieged, folks. Actually, besieged. I mean besiege. It's not the past tense. It's the present tense. Besiege. Okay. Bye.